Hi guys and welcome to the GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM card and memory card in Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. So here is my Tab Galaxy S10 FE 5G, and to insert SIM card and memory card into this tab, first just look inside the box, because here we have a little pin and we need this one to remove the slot from the tab. And now just go to the top here, because here is the slot for the SIM card, and just put this pin like this and push it, and now remove the slot. And let's take a closer look. So here we can put the SIM card, and on the other side we can put the memory SD card. Okay, now this is my SIM card. You need a nano SIM, and this is the right position, like this. I hope you see it, and everything is okay, the SIM card doesn't fall. And on the other side I will put the memory card, and this is the right position, like this. Okay. And now let's go to my tab, and you need to put it like this, with the SIM card into in the front of your eyes, and just put it here, and that's all. And here on my tab I already have a signal, so everything is okay. And if I go to my files, here is the memory SD card. So all is good. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.